Hi, this is Trevor again with Kremin Inc. And today we're going to talk about some of the key functions we utilize on our CNC lathes. At Kremin, we are always focused on utilizing our machine's capabilities. Our philosophy is the more effective we can utilize our equipment and our resources, the better we can offer our customer the highest quality part in the most efficient amount of time. One key but lesser common function that we utilize on our CNC lathes and Swiss lathes is called interpolation milling. Interpolation milling gives the machine the ability to generate linear and radial shapes using the linear axis and a rotary axis, creating a straight line into a radial shape, so on and so forth, using multiple axes of the machine. In this case, you have a live end mill, you have a rotary axis, and a linear axis. Using those axes together will generate any type of mill type shape in situations where you are not capable of producing a mill profile using an XY traditional method. Interpolation milling is a lesser common function, but overall produces the same outcome. In this example, we are using interpolation milling to generate a square shape with corner radiuses. The machine rotates the part using the C-axis of the subspindle while moving the part towards and away from the cutting end mill, generating the shape you see. If we were not able to complete this shape using this function, we ultimately would have to machine this part using two operations across two different machines, increasing the overall time and cost to produce this part. In this example, we use interpolation milling to do two key features of this part. The first feature is that there's a timing notch inside this counterbore where the end mill will actually come in using the C-axis and Y-axis like we talked about to generate this notch width, the radius in there, walking around the bore and coming back out and sweeping and generating the opposite side of the notch. On the back side, in the subspindle position, same function is generating each of these scallops, walking in and out of these, using the C and the Y, coming around, ultimately getting around to the opposite side where it will generate this one single tooth that stands out proud to the rest of the teeth. I hope you enjoyed this short video about interpolation milling. If you want more information, reach out to us today.